Welcome back. In this video, I want to share about Supertonic 2. This is a lightweight TTS model. It is totally free and we can easily run on our local machine. So there is no more cloud API and subscription anymore. So let's see that.
We introduced Supertonic, blazingly fast on-device TTS model that even runs on Raspberry Pi.
I will show step-by-step installation and demo testing for GUI, graphical user interface, and CLI using Python, so you can follow along. Firstly, go to the GitHub repo page. I will put this link in the description. Then scroll down to Getting Started. We will clone this repo into our local machine. After that, change the directory to the Supertonic. As a next step, we need to download their model file and preset files and place them in the exec directory. For doing that, we must have Git LFS large file storage. So if you don't have it, you can easily install it using Brew on Mac OS. For Windows OS, install it from official website. After Git LFS installation is done, clone another repo into the exec directory. They support different languages and platforms: Python, Java, browser, iOS, and so on. For easy testing, I will show a demo using the browser. For the browser, go to the web directory, then run npm install and npm ram dev. Okay, now we can see the web GUI. There's a 10 voice style, 5 male voice and 5 female voice. They also support 5 languages: English, Korean, Spanish, Portuguese, and French. In this demo, I will find some sample text and copy it. Then paste it into the browser and click Generate Speech. Wow, it is super fast. For a 99-second audio length, it took only 4.5 seconds to generate. My machine is M2 MacBook Air with 8 GB RAM, so let's listen to the generated audio.
Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky continues to send out a firm message of defiance. When we met this weekend in the government headquarters in Kyiv, he said that far from
That's cool. Let's change to another voice style and generate again.
Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky continues to send out a firm message of defiance. When we met this weekend in the government headquarters in Kyiv, he said that far Zelensky told me, region of Donetsk, that it still holds. I see it as abandonment, weakening our positions, abandoning hundreds of thousands. That this withdrawal would divide our society. But it
Okay, we can also download the audio in WAV format. I will also show demo testing using Python. So let's change the current directory to pi and run uvsync. And then run the example Python script. It generates 4 audio files. We can also listen to those generated audios.
This morning, I took a walk in the park, and the sound of the birds and the breeze was so pleasant that I stopped for a long time just to listen.
The last one I want to test is a Chrome extension built with Supertonic. It is called TLDRL. We can easily listen to the web pages with the power of this on-device TTS. So let's see their promo video first.
600 million years ago, no one really did anything ever. 1974년, 조춘만은
1974년 조춘만은 18살의 나이에
estudante do segundo ano médico na Universidade de Coimbra,
The nation's biggest animal sanctuary operates under to save them all. How could that be controversial?
un travail qui en son foyer enferme l'homme, dont l'existence n'est plus extérieure comme aux vieillis siècles.
SpaceX leads the world in launches with its reliable.
Que faisait David Bowie à votre âge? I hope to convince you that we don't need units at all.
진흙으로 나를 인간으로 빚어달라고 내가 요청했습니까?
1. The history of AI. The field of artificial intelligence AI officially started in 1956.
To download, just click the link and click Add to Chrome. I will demonstrate it with a Wikipedia page. You can also choose different voice styles. Then click Read to listen.
Contents. World War III. World War III, also known as the Third World War, is a hypothetical future global conflict subsequent to World War I.
Click this icon to open reading mode.
Contents. World War III. World War II, also known as the Third World War, is a hypothetical future global
We can change many display fonts. Okay, that's all. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.